In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva website for Shopify. By the end, you'll design a simple Canva website, link your buttons directly to your Shopify products or store, publish the site, and add it to your Shopify navigation so customers can access it from your menu. First, open Canva and sign in. On the Canva home screen, click Create a design in the top right, then choose Website. Now choose a template or start with a blank page. If you see a style you like, click it to open. If you prefer full control, select a blank layout. Design your page. On the left, use the sidebar to add images, text, and buttons. Click and drag elements onto the canvas. Type to edit text. To keep your branding consistent, customize colors, fonts, and the layout. Use the color picker to set your brand colors. Update headings and body text to your preferred fonts and rearrange sections by clicking and dragging. Keep spacing clear so your visitors can quickly find products and calls to action. For buttons, highlight the button by clicking it once, then click link in the top toolbar. Paste your product or store URL from Shopify into the link field. This connects your Canva button to your Shopify page. Click done or apply to confirm. Repeat this linking process for all product buttons on the page so every call to action goes to the correct product or collection. If a button doesn't respond, click away and select it again to make sure only that button is highlighted before adding the link. Once your design and links are set, click Publish Website in the top right. Canva will prepare your site for the web. When the publish options appear, choose your domain option. Select a free domain to use a Canva link if you want the fastest setup, or choose a custom domain if you already have a domain you want to use. Don't worry, this choice can be updated later if needed. Confirm to publish. Wait a moment while Canva generates your live website link. Connect your Canva website to Shopify for a smooth traffic flow. First, copy your Canva website link. You can click the copy icon or highlight the full URL and copy it. Now go to Shopify. From your Shopify admin, click Online Store in the left sidebar, then select Navigation. Open the menu where you want the link to appear and click Add a menu item. In the link field, paste the Canva website link you copied. Give the menu item a clear name so customers know where it goes, then save. Now Shopify will update your store menu with the new link. If you already have a live theme, this change appears on your storefront right away. At this point, your Canva website is published, all buttons are linked to your Shopify products or store, and the site is accessible from your Shopify navigation. Visit your storefront, click the new menu item, and you should land on your Canva website. Test each button to confirm it opens the correct Shopify product or page. If a link doesn't open the right page, return to Canva, highlight the button, click link, and paste the correct Shopify URL, then update if needed. Your Canva website for Shopify is now fully set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.